everyone, welcome back to Katarina's Garage. My name is Katarina Lloyd, and I'm here with Stitch again. We're just doing a little bit of work to it. I decided, you know what? This thing is running pretty, not great at the moment. And now, because of what I just did, I've figured now it's either the timing chain, which we figured it was, but just in case, I did replace the original ignition module, which, I mean, if you take a look at this thing though, it's probably a good thing that I did replace this, because if we take a look at the underside of this, right? You should be able to see that, and you can't. So this cork material inside, and it's just it's almost this resin that it's in. So yeah, and plus if we take a look at inside too, it actually was melting the plug on this, so better to replace it now than worry about it later. So yeah, if you take a look under the hood, you'll see nice shiny new part. Right? And you can see, it's all nice, hooked up to old stuff, which I might have to replace the other side of that cable on both of them, because yeah, she's still not running 100%, still kind of popping and missing and stuff, but you know, that's fine. At least I know now it's kind of security. Here, I'll show you when I start it. You'll be able to hear it. Which, it's running fairly smooth up here, but then listen back here. Right, so it is still missing. It's actually getting worse as it's going along here. So, I mean, you know, so that's going to either be the distributor at this point or the carburetor. But the carburetor's clean and everything, so I don't understand why it would be the carburetor. So, you know, this was to the tune of 63 bucks that I didn't really have, but it's just okay, I gotta try this because, you know what, screw it. They actually had one in stock, which was kind of convenient, so, and the price is cheaper than I've actually found in other places. Napa, for once, was actually cheaper, so it's kind of nice. Everywhere else is quoting me about 80 bucks, so yeah, I just decided, hey, just walk in there and, you know, talk to my buddy Cody about it, and yeah, sadly that did not fix it, but that's okay. At least now I know it's new and it's, you know, no worries there. But yeah, you look at this thing, it's not the prettiest anymore, so it's probably a good thing that I did replace this. But I'll keep it around just in case if I need it. Probably won't, to be honest, but you never know. It is one of those things that you can't always be sure. So yeah. But, you know, and as you can tell, today is actually quite warm, although the ground is cold, at least here, because of how wet it is. Just yesterday, this was all covered in snow. Literally, and now it's just kind of, it's all melted. I'm here, of course, in a tank top and shorts, and it's fantastic. Honestly, it was 17 degrees Celsius today. Absolutely wonderful. Last Friday, it snowed a bunch and then kind of stuck around for a while and just took a few days to melt, and should have the car meet this week, so that'll be very exciting. So yeah, that's just a little update on this, and unfortunately, still one more thing, right, that needs to be fixed, because it's just, you know, that is bothering me, especially when you drive it, it kind of hesitates, it goes down the road, right? You're driving it and you can feel it, you know, bog a little bit. So I do know though that the carburetor has too big of jets, so I'm trying to find jets. But it's a pain, very much a pain. I'll have to order some from online because I can't get them here in town. And yeah, because it has, it's an Autoline 2100 under there, which, I mean, you guys have seen that, but for those of you that haven't, when I do this, because somebody said, oh, hey, next time, show off the carb. So, okay, fine, I'll show off the carb this time. So this carburetor, it's relatively new. New to me, anyways. It's only got, at this point, about 1,200 kilometers on it now. Majority of that's been me. And yeah, it's an Autoline 2100. It's a 1.08 Century or Venturi. So this is a 375 CFM carburetor. It's a little bigger than what would be absolutely optimal, but it's within tuning range, so it should be fine. Once I build this thing out, this carburetor will be perfect, but for now it's a little too much, but hey, can't beat free, so. But, yeah, it's just one of those things. It is incredibly annoying, and that's on there with the vintage inlines, aluminum adapter from the on the stock intake, because you can't remove the intakes on these because they are cast into the head. But yeah, just one more thing. Other than that, and the oil leak that I need to fix now too, because it's leaking oil from the fuel pump. So it's annoying. And no, it's not gas. It is oil. So don't worry about that. It was gas at one point, but now it's oil. So I fixed the gas leak from it. So yeah, but other than that, just how it runs and drives pretty decent, although it does take a minute at times to start when it's been sitting, because again, it floods that carburetor, and so you just have to kind of go full throttle for it to clear out all the fuel in it, but it just, that is annoying, but, and just one more thing, right? But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this quick little update. If you did, please like the video, comment anything you want to see down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share with your friends or family if, they might find this useful or entertaining or whatever, right? Anyways, hope you're staying safe during COVID-19. Good luck with what we're working on. And if you want to contact me, you can at Katarina.garage on Instagram or Katarina's Garage on Facebook. And yeah, I'll catch you all soon. Bye! Catch you!